Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Elma. You're welcome to my space. Today I'm about to share with you just a walk around video. Nothing serious, just a walk around my neighborhood. It's a very beautiful place. Another side of it, so relax and I hope you all enjoy the video. Hi everybody, good morning. With my sleepy face. It's what, like 7 a.m. in the morning or 7:30 in the morning, I don't even know. Going around for a morning walk just around the neighborhood. This is called Guamri. This area is called Guamri. Beautiful structure. Let me show you all a few things around. So every morning when I walk around this area, I really see like these apple trees. Look at the apples. These apples have become so ripe and so big. And this is what do they call this one? Dates? Fresh dates street. And then there's an apple tree here. Yeah. Look at this fresh looking apples. I don't know what is this, pumpkin or what? I don't know what that is. But look at this fresh apples and fresh dates. Look at this. And the funny thing is, like, most of the times there was even another tree there. Like, look at this other apple tree here. Let me zoom it in so that you can see. Look at that. Look at those apples on the tree. They are all ready, and I don't know, every day I pass here, I keep feeling like they're going to cut it or harvest it, but nobody. Like, they haven't harvested them yet. Most times people do this. I don't know why they'll plant things and then there's a church here. I don't know why they'll plant things and then they don't come to harvest them. There are many beautiful trees around this area. They're like apple trees. They're like you've seen date trees. And then there's what is this one? There's another fruit I'm going to show you all here. I don't know what that one is called. I always admire the beautiful flowers around this church. They have so many beautiful flowers. There's a particular flower. I used to see that flower in the country. I've never seen it in Korea, but I saw it at this church. And then this is another fruit. I don't know what kind of fruit this is. I don't know what that is, but it looks really nice. I don't know if it's edible or if it's the flower. I don't know. Yeah, but this area has so many beautiful place with so many beautiful flowers, trees. So let me show you this flower. I don't know what this flower is called, but we used to play with this flower a lot back in my country. Like, this is how it looks like. So beautiful. I used to play with this a lot when I was much younger. It's my first time seeing it in Korea. I've never really seen it. There's another thing. These things look like some kind of vegetable in my country. Like, we used to call it green. It kind of looks like it, but I don't know if it's the kind of edible vegetables. I don't know. Funny thing is, like, most of the times in Korea, people plant things and then I don't know, they don't come to harvest it. There's another tree at the front. I'll show you all. That tree is full of how do they call it? Blueberries. Like, the things got so ripe and then they were falling down to the ground and nobody was even really coming to harvest it. They were just there getting ripe, getting rotten, and then they fell to the ground. Sometimes some people used to pass by and then get some and eat it. Many of the times I wanted to get some and eat, but I didn't know who to ask, like, if I can get or not, because like there's really no specific person around that area. So most of the times I just like walked past by. I was just curious to say like how it tastes or those kind of things, but there was nobody for me to ask. So here is the blueberry tree. This is it right now. I think they had, this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. This is it, like this. It's red right now, but it later becomes blue. Is it? Yeah, it later becomes blue There's one up there. I can't really reach there. Let me try to zoom it in. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, it becomes blue like this when it's ripened. So yeah, there's so many beautiful trees around this area, so many beautiful places to see when you walk past this area. It's a unique, beautiful place. Yeah, it's called Gyeohamri in South Korea here. Yeah, so that's basically much. Let me go around the beach and then show you guys the beautiful view of this area, this beach area. So when the weather was much warmer than now, like in summer, the weather was much warmer in summer. There were a lot of boats, like these flying boats at this area. There were a lot of canopies. People could sit down and then enjoy the view. But they've removed it all since the summer is done, and now this is what's left of this area. But still, you can see it's a very beautiful place. Look at the view from my back view. Let me go this side. Yeah, so this area is really beautiful and it has so many nice pensions around. So yeah, look at this one again. All of this area is so beautiful. If I keep going up, I'll reach the main road, which I don't want to do. So yes, this is how it looks from this side. Yeah, so sometimes it's good to just go out, relax, get some rest, a cool head. Like this time I just choose to do things that make me happy. I choose to do things that don't stress me. The sun is a little bit hot. Yeah, so I'm just relaxing here, nothing much. So this is the Korean fruit called what's this one? I forgot the name. And then there's also like grapes. This area has every kind of fruit. And then this one is called there's the Korean pear. This one's called Korean pear. So it's a very delicious fruit. So this area is really blessed with a lot of fruits. This is the first time I'm seeing this Korean pear on a tree. I love it so much, and I have a lot at home because it's the Chuseok holiday, Thanksgiving season, which I'll do another video to explain what that holiday is about. So yeah, so many fruits. Persimmon, is it persimmon? I don't know. I'll verify the name. Hi everybody. So I just remembered that I did a video yesterday where I was walking around and I realized that I didn't actually give a conclusion about the video. So this is just me coming to end that video by saying thank you. This is the next day. I'm having breakfast. I'm having chips. And what is this one? I'm having chips and some ice cream. Yeah, a boring day alone. And then I remembered that I haven't ended the video I did. So yeah, this is just me coming to say thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Please like this video. Please like the video, share it, and until next time, bye bye.